beautiful, good jollof in Nigeria. I think jollof started in Nigeria, then moved to Ghana and got better.
What are you saying? He changed the story. But Emeka, we know you because of movies and acting. You're a very great actor. You've won several awards because of acting. Are you looking at nurturing young acts, people who look up to you, to get them up there so that we can, here in Africa, we can get to the Hollywood stage where everybody's looking out for?
Yeah, I have nurtured a lot of artists.
Okay, tell me about
Basically, okay? It's just that plenty of artists you nurture will never come out there. It's so unfortunate and sad. Plenty of them are even in this show tonight with me.
Wow.
I can remember them coming to my office to say, please, sir. And I can remember me going to beg one of them, their mother, to please release her to me. And their father, as Christians, they say, no, we don't do film. It's for worldly people. So I had to go lecture them to bring her out. So, but, we've been doing it. It's what we've been doing. But I think what I'm doing new and different is under the Nollywood TV platform. We have so many programs that would encourage young people and also promote what you're talking about.
Yeah.
We have Change Nigeria.
Okay.
It's a program under Nollywood TV coming up pretty soon. We have Off the Street. We have in-house productions. We have so many things, in-house movies.
Okay.
So many things going on that young people can cash in on. So not just a one-off
thing,
but constantly we're going to be making stars. We're going to be making new entrants and constantly rebooting and rebuilding the industry.
Do you follow music?
Oh, yeah.
Nigerian music and Ghanaian music?
Ghana can say, she won't marry me.
Okay, you get that.
I hope so she shall be watching.
The shito is coming from here. You stole it.